Hi, my name is Sarah Kops. I'm the executive chef here at Michigan State University of the retail. So today what we're gonna make is, what you wish your mother would have made. That is my take on mother's recipes because my mother was not a notoriously good cook. She cooked a lot of frozen dinners and didn't know how to mix in different international flavors, and we would have leftover night at our house and she would just take all these ingredients and just reheat them and not try to repurpose or reseason or anything like that. So I remember her making this dish of sweet potatoes, and they were always overcooked and they had marshmallows and it was just sweet brown sugar, and I hated it. So what we have here today is a dish what I wish my mother would have made. So it's going to be roasted sweet potatoes in a savory style with peppers, onions, broccoli, garbanzo beans, lemon juice, garlic, spinach here, and then all different kinds of international seasonings or just different flavor profiles. So what I like about this dish is it's simple. It takes one pan. We're going to chop up everything, put it on one sheet tray, and then just roast it in the oven. So it's easy to do, quick if you're feeding a family or if you're just feeding yourself and friends. It's also a great way to use different, I want to say leftovers, repurpose food of having this flavor profile and adding a curried shrimp to it, or a fajita-seasoned chicken, or sesame tofu to it. So very versatile.